Hi, I'm Tracy Sweeney, newborn child and family photographer and owner of Alon Studio in Bristol, Rhode Island. And welcome to my studio. In this class, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful family images in unexpected places. Gorgeous portraits in really not so beautiful places. First, I'll show you what I look for in any location, how I minimize distractions and infuse texture and color to create images that really stand out. Then we'll look at my lens choices, how I style the portraits, and ultimately how I use just natural available light to create these dynamic portraits. You'll learn about composition, posing, and my best post-processing tips. So if you want to take your family portraits to the next level and be able to create beautiful images anywhere, come check out my new course on kelby1.com.